Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account with Peacock TV. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in peacocktv.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Peacock TV. Now from the home page, in order to sign up for a new account, click on the Get Started button at the top right corner. You will then be taken into the sign up page where you will be told to enter your email address to get started. So go ahead and type in your preferred email address and click on the continue button. And now you will be asked to select your plan. Simply choose whether you want to pay monthly or annually and then click on whichever plan suits you the best. After clicking on your selected plan, you will be taken to the checkout menu. From the checkout menu, you can go ahead and set up your password. Type in the desired password for your account and then type in your password once again to confirm it. Then you can type in your first and your last name followed by your gender and your birth year. Finally, enter your zip code and click on the Create Account button and your account will officially be created. You might need to log into your email address and click on the link within the email sent by Peacock TV to finalize your verification and complete your payment. You can also click on Have a promo code to enter a promo code to pay for your plan. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account with Peacock TV. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.